What is secure boot, and how does it prevent malicious USB OS installs? Imagine trying to start your computer and wondering if it's safe from sneaky software trying to take control. That's where Secure Boot comes into play. It's a security feature built into modern computer firmware, which is the software that helps your computer start up. Its main job is to make sure only trusted software runs during the boot process. Think of it as a bouncer at a club, checking IDs to keep out troublemakers. Secure Boot checks the digital signatures of important boot components like the firmware itself, the bootloader, the kernel, and drivers. These signatures are like digital fingerprints that confirm the software is genuine and unaltered. If any component doesn't have a trusted signature, Secure Boot won't let the system start. This prevents malware such as rootkits or bootkits from sneaking into your system before it even loads the operating system. When you try to install an operating system from a USB drive, Secure Boot steps in again. It verifies the digital signatures of the bootloader and the kernel on the USB device. If the signatures don't match the trusted keys stored in the firmware's secure database, the system refuses to boot from that USB. This means any malicious or tampered OS on the USB gets blocked from loading. It's a powerful way to stop hackers from installing harmful software through external drives. Most major operating systems support Secure Boot. Windows uses Microsoft Signed Boot components, which are trusted by default. Linux distributions often use a signed pre-bootloader called shim that allows unsigned kernels to run under controlled conditions. macOS also supports Secure Boot, making sure only Apple-approved software loads. When preparing a USB drive for installing an operating system on a secure boot-enabled device, the media must have properly signed bootloaders and kernels. If not, the system will block the boot process. This means you need to use official installation images or sign your own files correctly. Sometimes, Linux users use special sign loaders like shim to meet these requirements. Secure Boot creates a chain of trust from the firmware to the operating system. It ensures that only legitimate, signed software can run at startup. This stops malicious software from installing itself from USB drives and keeps your system safe from early-stage infections. So, in simple terms, Secure Boot acts as a security gatekeeper, making sure only trusted software gets to run when your computer starts up.